Hello, this is Eve Belize. Today I am, as you can see by the title, for the first time I'm wearing a crochet wig. In general, I've never done anything like this, so I'm excited. I want to give big ups to Chef B because I watched her video and I saw that she did this, and if I'm going to wear a wig, this is the only way it's going to be. So today I'm going to be using the free tress, and that's the color that I'm using. So I already got started. This is what the hair looks like. It's pretty. So here we have the mannequin, and this is a pack of hair already. So I have 3 packs, and I'm going to put in the other 2. See how this comes out. So we are 2 packs in, and all I have to do is the top. I've been spacing it out so that it's not really close together. So we're almost there. Finish. Look at her. Oh, so cute. I love the color. Moment of truth. So my hair has been in twists for like the last 5 days. So all I did was just put it up in the back. Nothing fancy. And I left out a little bit over here so I can lay it down. I didn't want to leave too much of it out. I'm nervous. Okay, where do we start? Okay, so I think that's the back. So let's try to get this off. See what's going on in the front here. So I'm going to pull this down. Pull it up in the front. The reason why I chose to go this route is because if I've never used a wig before, and I don't want nothing stuck in my hair, sewed in my hair, because I would the idea of taking this off and putting it on, and that it's mesh and I can get through to my scalp, that's what sold me on this. I definitely want to give my hair a break and start doing some protective style after my little mishap about 2 months ago. Look at this. Wait. You gotta fix it. This hair feels so soft. Feels natural. It looks natural. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do in the front here. So this is going to come down. This is what I'm going to be using today. By Baskin Bloom. I love this edge control. Doesn't take a lot. So I'm going to take a little bit of this on my finger. Just with your finger, get for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.